fish looks like. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I am glad to be here with you today. Today I'm taking you guys to Ivory Coast. Do you know where it is? It's in West Africa. We're going all the way to West Africa to taste one of their most popular delicacies, one amazing dish that made in that country. It's called Attiéké. Now the Attiéké I didn't make it from scratch. I bought it already made, but it was frozen. I left it overnight to defrost, so my video is not showing you a lot of how to make the Attiéké, but the sides that we're gonna eat the Attiéké with. If you have any questions about this meal, ask me your questions, okay? Fasten your seat belt. I hope you guys are ready because we're going far away to have an amazing meal, okay? Let's have this together. Let's get going. For this recipe, the most important thing is the Attiéké. You can get either Attiéké argan was already done, or you have to just put it in the microwave. I don't have a microwave, so I just put it heat it up in my pan. Okay, so here is the Attiéké itself, but let's get started with everything else that will be done. I'm gonna be making a salad. So for the salad I'll need cucumbers, onions, tomatoes with vinegar, oil, and a little bit of salt. That's it. I'm making a little tomato sauce, and this is what I'll use for the tomato sauce: the onions, the tomatoes, yellow bell peppers and red bell peppers, and of course a bit of salt, a bit of spicing. Yes. Now we're eating this with fish and some plantain. So I'll start by spicing my fish, and I'll put the fish in the oven. This is what our fish looks like, and it's about to get in the oven. And I'm going to make tomato sauce. Oil in here. Here. On va ajouter la tomate. You can now go ahead and add in your bell peppers, your yellow bell peppers and your red bell peppers. Add your spices. Garlic powder, that one. Now garlic powder. J'aime laisser mon truc dans ma marmite. Rester. Stir multiple times for all the ingredients to mix together and let it simmer for a little bit. Done with our tomato sauce, and now onto our salad. We started by adding in the diced cucumbers, followed by our sliced onions. I like how the coloring, I like how this looks already. There was lots of onions, lots of cucumbers, and tomatoes. These colors together is vibing, giving a good vibe. And I'm adding a little bit of salt. Yeah, I told you guys I bought the wrong salt. It's really big pieces. And I'm adding a little bit of oil, preferably olive oil, guys. I'm now coming with my vinegar, and I'm not trying to put too much vinegar, so that's why I'm measuring it in that little cover. Okay, I add it and taste it. For this one I don't have measurement. I will usually measure, add it, taste it. If it's enough, I don't add more. If it's not, I add more. That's what cooking is about. I don't like measuring everything. Some things I measure with my eyes, some things I add, I taste, and then, you know, I do it as I go. Okay, mix all your ingredients together. All the ingredients need to come together for it to give us the amazing flavor that we want in our mouth.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no secrets. No secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
As you guys can see, our fish is ready. Everything is cooked, ready. We are now serving. I have placed my fish on the plate. Now I'm adding the attiéké here on the side. The plantains will take their own spot. As you guys can see, the salad will also take their best position on my plate, and I'm placing my salad there. This salad is delicious, so good. And then I'm now gonna come in and add in my tomato sauce on the side over there where there's still a little bit of space. This is a full plate, a full meal, and this attiéké is really filling. You don't need a lot of it and your belly will be whew. The attiéké has like a sour taste, so we add a Maggi cube to it to give it a little taste, and of course we have to put some pepper on the side for it to make sense. Okay, now look at this plate, just look at it. I know it makes you hungry, but try this meal. Go try it. Let me know how it came out, because this was so delicious. We devoured it in my home. We ate it like oof. You guys already know how much I appreciate you, how much I'm grateful to you, but I want to tell you one more time, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video, like it, comment.
Secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you